Modding classic Might and Magic games, or analyzing game assets from LOD archives. These contain the game's graphics, sounds, and data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these Might and Magic game data archive files. Avoid future frustration. Download a dedicated, non-proprietary file viewer. These tools are masters at ignoring small LOD errors. Take a shortcut and download now. A LOD file is a game data archive used by the classic role-playing games Might and Magic VI, VII, and VIII. It acts as a container, bundling various game assets like graphics, sounds, maps, and scripts into a single file for efficient loading and management by the game engine. The LOD format is the proprietary binary archive. It typically begins with a header and a file table that lists the names, offsets, and sizes of the compressed assets contained within. This design allows the game to quickly seek and decompress individual resources on demand without searching the file system. The native handler for LOD files is usually Might and Magic VI, the Mandate of Heaven from Ubisoft. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows cannot preview game assets or data, so specialized tools are needed to work with them. Your first step in isolating the problem, right-click the LOD file and select Open With. If Might and Magic VI, the Mandate of Heaven is installed, use that. If not, try another option immediately. When your LOD file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection. Let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, extracting with MMArchive. Download MMArchive, a popular tool for working with Might and Magic LOD files from modding communities. Launch MMArchive and open the LOD file to display the archive contents. Extract individual files or entire archives to access game assets for modding or analysis within game licensing terms. Next, using game-specific tools. Various Might and Magic and Heroes of Might and Magic games have dedicated extraction tools developed by their modding communities. Search forums like Celestial Heavens or Heroes Community for tools matching your specific game version. These tools handle version-specific LOD variants reliably for asset extraction. Finally, modifying game content. After extraction, modify game assets and repack them into LOD format using compatible packing tools. Backup original LOD files before replacing them in the game directory. Test modifications in-game to verify proper integration. The modding community provides tutorials and tools for various Might and Magic titles and modding approaches. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.